How to hide posts from the homepage in WordPress using the Hide Post plugin. First, go to your WooCommerce dashboard and make sure the Hide Post plugin is activated for posts, then save the changes. Now, go to the Posts section where you can see a list of all available posts. There is a column named Hidden, under which you can view the list of pages from which a specific post is hidden. Let us demonstrate post hiding from the home or front page using a specific post. Click on the Edit option for that post, and it will take you to the post editor. You can see this specific post isn't hidden from any page at the moment. Now scroll down to the bottom right corner of the page, where you'll see the Hide Post visibility options. Before applying any changes, let's quickly check how this post looks on the website. For that, we have to visit the website front end. On the front end, you can see the post appears under the Latest Posts section. Now, let us check the option, Hide from Front Page from the back end and save the settings. Now, let's go to the front page and refresh it to see the results. You can see the post is now hidden from the home page that was previously visible under the Latest Posts section. Again, uncheck the Hide from Front Page option from the back end to see its impact and make the post visible again. You can clearly see the post has reappeared under the Latest Posts section. Now, let us try hiding the post from the front page using the Quick Edit option. Go to the Posts page and under each post, there will be a Quick Edit option. On clicking the option, a few edit options appear for the specific post. Here, you can view the post visibility options as well. As I am interested in hiding the post from the front page, I will check the option and update the settings. You can see the post is now hidden from the front page in the Hidden column. On refreshing the front page, the post disappears from the Latest Posts section in the front end. Thanks for your time.